you. You guys need a hook?
Yeah, well.
Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. On Friday of this past Memorial Weekend, we went live for a little while from the playground during the 51st Annual Memorial Total Off-Road Rally put on by the Minnesota Go Four-Wheelers in Dresser, Wisconsin. When the playground opens at noon, it's been kind of a tradition now for a few years that a certain group of friends, most with buggies, are the first to try out the sand hills on the playground. The soft sand that has been freshly piled up with heavy equipment offers quite a bit of challenge, even for the buggies to blaze a trail up and over the top. As I said before, we were doing a live stream when we got interrupted and had to go on a recovery. One of the buggies apparently caught fire.
So I guess we're on our first recovery where a guy with his buggy caught fire. Let's go look.
So I put this one on, and now I grenaded it again. And I don't know why it's doing that. Actually, that one, it grenaded the threads. Grenaded the threads. I mean, just blew it right up. I thought it was, maybe it got too tight. But, nah.
Blew it right off, eh?
I was just gonna call you. You guys need a hook?
Yeah, well, at least.
As I was going through my footage and editing, I found a short clip of what looks like the very same buggy, and it must be just shortly before it caught fire. I apologize for a few short clips here. You see, Mara was live streaming onto Facebook and recording with her phone at the same time, and apparently her phone doesn't do that very well. Looks like we might have to do an upgrade. Buggy caught fire when it all of a sudden had a massive oil leak. The oil spraying onto the hot exhaust header, of course, burst into flames. It was quickly put out by fire extinguishers that all the vehicles are required to carry. I'm not sure exactly where the oil leak was, but it came from the remote oil filter area. Don't know if it was a fitting that let go or if it was a filter that split at the seam. Either way, it was our job to get it back to camp so you could fix it. First thing we needed to do was pull the buggy back a little bit so we could get the wrecker around the front and hook on, pick it up, take it back to camp.
Still smoking.
Most buggies, along with other dedicated trail rigs nowadays, have full hydraulic steering. That means no positive linkage between the steering wheel and the front tires. So, with the engine not running, they become very hard to steer. That's where the wrecker comes in handy. Unlike flat towing with a strap, where somebody has to be in the vehicle and try and steer it, with the wrecker and the sling, we can pick up the front of the buggy, and then nobody has to steer it. It will follow behind the wrecker. Buggy now on the hook, we could get down the hill and take him through the playground, down to the campground.
Down in the campground, right? You're down in the campground, right?
You go past the dumpster, you know that road that goes straight?
Okay.
We're on the left-hand side.
Okay.
Got a white Super Duty.
Okay. You want me to back it in by the trailer, or do you want to just swing in, or?
Why don't you drop it? He's behind us with the side-by-side. He can go between the two trailers.
Okay.
There we go, back at camp, ready for repairs. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.